Okay, so here we are. This next section, I'm going to be talking with you about third-party providers. Most of the time, these third-party providers, in reference to what we're planning for your website, will be in the form of plugins. Not all of them will be in the form of plugins. Some of them will be third-party providers you go to their website to access, but do have plugin features that are available. So this next section, I'm actually going to break the videos down for you into really little bite size for each one of the topics within this third-party category, because this way you can just get through them quickly. You may not need one or the other, and so go ahead and watch those videos, and of course we'll connect into pulling everything into your worksheet as we go. Okay, see you soon.